So what is Xdebug? Xdebug is a debugging toolkit written by a gentleman named Derek Reppens. He developed this tool in 2002, and basically it started off as a tool for online stepping through code and doing back traces and capturing performance data from code running in real time on your website. It's a compiled module that you get from PECL, and if you have control of your own server, you simply run sudo PECL install Xdebug, and in a matter of moments you'll have it compiled and installed on your server. If you have a Windows machine, you can download a DLL, drop it in the right directory, and it'll just start working for you. So let's get started with just a really basic site that I've got set up here. If anybody wants to follow along or poke through the website, the pages I've got available, the IP address is right here, 172.16.5.218. That's it. And so we're looking at welcome.html right now. And we will be spending most of our time in the feed sifter directory. So this is a very modified version of a website that I built several years ago. Most of my websites are simple little utilities that I saw were lacking on the internet, or I felt I could do a better job, or I just wanted to have a whack at it so I could have the learning experience. And so what this does is takes any RSS atom feed that you have out there and filters it for items that you want. So it's the holiday season. We all like shopping at Amazon, and Amazon's got a really cool service called Gold Box. Maybe you're familiar with this. It's similar to Woot or something like that, where you can look at a new item for sale every day in various categories. So a lot of really cool stuff here. They've got the biggest RSS feed I've seen come through my service. It is hundreds of elements long, and it's a bit absurd. But it's actually good for us because we can take this Gold Box RSS feed, plug it into Feed Sifter, and say, look for some holiday items. What do you guys want for Christmas?
260-inch LCD.
LCD. Maybe not a plasma to go with it.
Not in California.
No? No, that's right. And for my kid...
Oh, see if you can find one of those hamster toy things that are all the rage. Does anybody know what those are?
I don't know what they would call, but I'll find a row that, or I'll find an RSS entry that has the words toys, hamster, toys and hamster, and why not? So this should return a lot of items. Let's find out. So what this does is create.php simply creates an RSS feed URL that actually doesn't do anything aside from stick that information on the URL. And when you click the subscribe link here, it downloads that feed from the internet and filters out just what we want. So we've got camcorders, laptops, plasmas, a thingy, and a severe lack of hamsters from Miley Cyrus. Oh well.